Hi everybody, I am going to show you how to make a hanging indent in Google Docs. This is already in hanging indent format. I can go to format, I can go to align and indent. I can go all the way to the bottom and look at indentation options and look down here at special indent. And this tells me that it's in hanging indent. If I don't want it to be in hanging indent, I could change it, but I do. When something's in hanging indent, every time you press return, you will get a hanging indent. For example, let's go over here. I'm just going to pull something off of the internet. Okay, it's not a citation, but let's pretend it was. Any text. I put it at the end, I press return, and all of a sudden it's in hanging indent. Okay, if I want it to look like everything else, then obviously I have to go back, use my same font, use my same font size. I'm going to put it down to 12, which is what it was, and now it would fit. So if it were an actual citation, it would look normal. And sometimes you will copy and paste a citation from like Citation Machine or something like that, and you'll double check to make sure everything's present, and then you can reformat it like that. Sometimes when you copy and paste something, you'll notice you've got that highlight, so you can take it out and remove the highlight and make it transparent, put in none. But that's how you make the hanging indent. Now in this case, we are going to be doing an annotated bibliography, so I'm going to ask you to take it out of hanging indent, and there, once you press return, you're going to have to go back into format, go into align and indent, go into indentation options, and then you can just put in none for now, and like that. I mean, you can put in your indentation as you need, and then this will be back to hanging indent. So if you go to Citation Machine, get a citation, you can pop it in here as long as it's in alphabetical order, and then continue on with your paragraph of explanation or your paragraphs for your annotated bibliography. Okay.